How's it going, guys? This is our new project truck right here. I actually ended up getting rid of the Mini. We were having some paperwork issues, so I traded it for one of these. It's going to be a 76 Datsun 620 with an L20 engine in it. I already started a few of the mods. Basically, these are different housing that allow the LED to be installed. So we did that. It came with a new battery, new voltage regulator. I just installed a brand new fuel filter. We just got new spark plugs in, which are right there. Just went to go pick up the wires. We're gonna do that right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it right here. We're installing an alarm right now on it. And then we also want to go pick up some kicker speakers on it. And then we're also going to be installing these door panels. I believe they're by Techno tuning, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. But I also want to get those in. Hopefully I have clips for the doors and those. And then this truck, an old buddy of mine had one too. And basically, when you step on the brake, like this one will turn on, and then like none of the lights back here work. Basically, a whole bunch of electrical like lighting issues. So we're also gonna get that straightened out today, hopefully. Looks to be lowered also. I do want to go a little bit lower, but I think I might buy wheels first because I know it's already lowered. So I'm thinking with some cool wheels on it, it'll look really, really nice. And then maybe like a little, like a lip or something. So that was pretty much it. It just cleans up the car a little bit. And then those old ones are, everyone trusts NGK spark plugs, but these are like CarQuest brand. So I figure why not have the matching set. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna get started with these door cards. I think I got I got some universal clips that I'm gonna be using, but pretty much I'm gonna have to drill out the holes that are previous there. So for example, like, see how these come with like these holes here? The clips that I bought don't fit in here, so I'm just gonna have to drill it out slightly just to make them fit, but it should be fairly easy. I'm gonna work on the passenger in a second, but as you guys could see, I had a drill into the door. These top ones are very, very scary because you want to make sure you don't go you just have to be on top of it because you obviously don't want to hit the glass. So these were kind of scary. On these, you could roll the window down, like so. And then that way you won't hit, you know, there's nothing behind it. So those are pretty good. I think these last three ones are pretty, you have to be on top of it. You have to go very, very slow because the drill will like pull you in. But yeah, this is the type of hardware I use. I just did like universal like plugs, but I think it matches the texture of the actual door, so it came out pretty good. I don't know what to do with these holes. I might just buy like a plug and just plug them up, or I don't know, maybe put like a cool sticker on top of it. I'm not sure yet, but that's how it looks like for now. My neighbor did finish installing the alarm, so that's pretty cool. I had to buy actuators, we forgot to order them, but here's the alarm. Let's see if we can focus. There it is. So, and then if someone were to try to break into my car, should go off, I think. So, I swear to God, it was working. Just by the locks. Wonder if it's because I have my door open. I think it's because I have the hood open, and the pin is not letting it activate. Probably that guy right there. So the next thing we're gonna try to knock out is this heater hose. As you can see, is literally falling apart. So my heater doesn't work anyway. So what I'm gonna end up doing is running this guy down to that guy now. So just running a little bit cleaner. Let's see, to there. So that way I'm gonna cut those ends off, plug them up, and then yeah, run it like that. Alright guys, so here's an update. Basically we did the heater delete, pretty much run this hose into there. So change the hose, change the clamps. So we got the wires in, obviously you got the spark plugs in. And then on this side, let's see if it's open. Cool, so we got that door card in. The only second part is that there's that hole still, the speaker hole. We're gonna plug those up. I don't know what goes on the bottom one, but we'll figure that one out. We changed the relay. This is the old one right here. We changed this guy, and then a lot of my lights are starting to work now too. So we're still having an issue with the brake, but let's see. Yeah, you guys could see. So pretty much, as you could see, my interior lights are starting to work now in here, which is awesome. Let's see. Let's go check the ones out there. So we changed to, like I said, LEDs up front. Just the outside ones for now. I am gonna go back in and change the high beams. That's how we're looking there. And then back here we got these guys to work now, which is awesome. They weren't working this morning. The running ones are on also. The only issue we're having right now is going to be when I step on the brake, the yellow ones turn on. So we did notice like some haggard wiring up there. So we're going to knock that out on a later video. And we're also going to knock the speakers on. Alright guys, so I think that's going to cut it for today's video. It was just a quick little update on our new project truck, and in our next video we're actually going to show the installation of the radio and the speakers and getting all that working, and then we're going to finish fixing those taillights in the back. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty excited. Thinking of running some deep dish wheels. I don't know if I'm going to keep the same 6 lugs on them, because I know these come with 6, but I could probably buy one of those adapters to go back to 5 lug. But yeah, I definitely want to, go a little bit lower. And yeah, maybe get a camper or something. Cool. Thank you guys for watching.